Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica S espresso machine. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. I noticed that the customer was using what tasted like flavored coffee in this machine, and I would just recommend not using flavored coffee. It's pretty hard on the machine. Flavored coffee is syrupy, so it tends to gum up the grinder over time. There's no issue with the grinder right now, but just wanted to let you know that to give this machine a longer life, it'd be better not to use the flavored coffee or anything really with a shiny bean. All the darker roasts have shiny beans, so try to avoid coffees with shiny beans. So you can see we get a nice shot of espresso. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.